Hello students, in this video we will learn how to solve question number 5. Question number 5 is find the multiplicative inverse that is reciprocal of. Suppose we have question number 1 is 17 by 23. 17 by 23 is a rational number, as already all of you studied about rational numbers. So multiplicative inverse is also known as reciprocal. So what is multiplicative inverse? Look at here with the question. We have rational number 17 by 23. By what rational number we have to multiply this rational number? By what rational number we have to multiply this rational number to get 1 as a value? So if we multiply 17 by 23 with 23 by 17, we get the value 1, because 17 and 17 both cancel each other at one time. This 23 and 23 both cancel each other at one time. So that we have 1 into 1, that means 1 1 ja 1. So we have to write reciprocal of, or we can also use or multiplicative inverse of 17 by 23 is equal to 23 by 17. I hope all of you understood. Once again, this 23 by 17 is that rational number from which we multiply our rational number 17 by 23 so that we get the value 1. So the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 17 by 23 is 23 by 17, because this number, this 23 by 17 is the number by which we multiply this original number to get the value 1. So I think all of you understood this solution. And suppose we have another question. Question number 2 is minus 3 by 9. So multiplicative inverse, you can directly write multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 9 is equal to 9 by minus 3. Because if we multiply minus 3 by 9 into 9 by minus 3, so we have this minus both cancel each other. This 9 both cancel each other at one time. This 3 cancel each other at one time. So we have the value 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. One more thing, as already all of you know that in denominator we are not putting the minus sign. So we can put the minus sign here also. And our value 1 remains constant, because minus 3 and this one is minus 9. If we put minus 9 here, so this 9 1 ja 9, this 3 1 ja 3, here minus 1 and here minus 1, because 9 and this minus 9 means 9 minus 1 ja and 3 minus 1 ja. So again we have minus 1 into minus 1, so minus plus 1. So again we have the value 1 constant. So minus 3 by 9, the multiplicative inverse is minus 9 by 3. Suppose we have a question like minus 90. So multiplicative multiplicative inverse of minus 19 is equal to minus 1 by 19, because minus 19 into minus 1 by 19 is equal to 1 also, because 19 and 19 both cancel each other in minus 1 time. Again minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. I hope all of you understood this multiplicative inverse. So let's do our next question. Our next question is, find the value of minus 4 by 9 to the power minus 1. All of you must have to know that reciprocal and multiplicative inverse both are same, both give same meaning. So same as that, we denote the reciprocal of a by b by a by b to the power minus 1. We denote the reciprocal of a by b by a by b to the power minus 1. Means if we not write reciprocal and if we use the value a by b to the power minus 1, means power minus 1, then it is same as reciprocal. So directly we can solve this one as a by b to the power minus 1 is equal to b by a. So minus 4 by 9 to the power minus 1, we can write minus 4 by 9 to the power minus 1 is equal to 9 by minus 4. And as already all of you know that we can't put minus in denominator, so we have to put minus with numerator. So minus 9 by 4. So question number 6 is same as question number 5, but only the difference is we are using the symbol of reciprocal here, and in that question we are writing reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So I hope you can solve question number 5 and 6 both. Both the questions are very much easy. And in our next video we will discuss about distributive law. So firstly complete question number 5 and 6. Thank you.